You wanted to see me, sir?
Mr. Little, come in. Have a seat. Can I get you anything?
No. Thank you.
How about this weather we're having?
It's nice. It's yeah.
Hell of a game Sunday.
Yeah, it was. I think we have a...
Did you sleep with my wife?
No!
Did you fuck my wife?
No!
Did you do my wife?
No!
I'm sorry to have bothered you. That'll be all. You can go. You scrubbed her, didn't you?
I did!
You crowned her, didn't you?
No!
You crowned the short, stinky hairs with my wife!
Mr. Biggs, I've never even met your wife.
You haven't?
No.
Let me show you something, Little. You see this? This is my Deborah.
She's lovely.
Did you take that?
No.
You hit that. Did you take that for a fucking ride?
Why did you do this to me?
No. Apologies, Little. You don't deserve this.
What?
It's just that I've always wanted to fire someone or punch someone or have someone ritualistically killed for sleeping with my wife.
I see.
With my pending retirement and you being the only employee my wife finds attractive, I thought I'd take this last opportunity.
Deborah finds me attractive?
Sorry, what?
Nothing. I think I should get back to work now, sir.
Yes, of course.
Oh, hey, honey.
Darling! Look at her. She's gorgeous, isn't she? A model of womanhood.
Sir, I think I've been really understanding about all
Have
this.
a good long look. She's enough to feed an army, isn't she?
She's very attractive, sir.
More than attractive, man. She's amazing. She's stunning.
She's marvelous.
More than marvelous.
All right, she's smoking hot.
Yeah.
She's got it all going on.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's one hot, fine piece of ass.
That's my wife, you cocksucker. That was every bit as exhilarating as I'd hoped. Thank you, Little. And thank you, dear. I'm off to fire someone now. I'll meet you at the Escalade.
Billy.
Do you think he knows about us?
No way, baby.